Welcome to Rainforest Explorers, where Jesus leads the way. After your general decorating, you can use a pole and drape system to set up extra backdrops in both your storytelling and Bible challenge sites. After purchasing a pole and drape system, assemble the bases and arrange them to your needs. You are now set to make the DIY bamboo clubhouse for the Bible challenge site. First, set up a 6-foot pole and drape system without any crossbars. Roll out brown paper and secure it to the poles. Place a piece of clear shipping tape on the paper in front of the top and bottom slots of each pole, and punch 2 holes through the tape. Wrap zip ties around the poles and paper, loosely closing them. Roll out the reed fencing and place the ends into the zip ties as you go. When finished, tighten the zip ties and trim the ends. Complete the clubhouse by cutting out extra Rainforest Explorer decorations and pinning them to the reeds. For full instructions and supply lists, see cph.org/VBS 2020. After these projects, your VBS site will look ready for anything.